Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making another Southern classic. We are going to be making some white beans, but we're going to be cooking them a little bit different. We are going to be making them in crock pot. So that way we can throw everything together and walk away and come back in about 4 or 5 hours and they're done. But I want to really thank everyone for joining me and watching my videos and helping support my channel. For my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get our ingredients together and we're going to make white beans in a crock pot. For our white beans, we're going to need chicken broth, Cajun seasoning, Great Northern white beans, sausage, smoked turkey leg, bay leaf, chopped onion, bell pepper, and celery. All right, so we have everything that we need for our white beans. So I'm putting in my white beans, which have been washed and cleaned. Now, if you want, you can soak these overnight, but it's not necessary. So then I'm adding in my diced, excuse me, onion, bell pepper, and celery. Throw that up in there. Then we are adding in our chicken stock or chicken broth. Here, and I forgot to get me a little spoon, stir. So give that a quick little mixy mix. Then I'm adding in my Cajun seasoning. Then my sausage. Jacking everything up over here. And we are adding in our smoked turkey leg and a couple of bay leaves. Give that one more mixy mix. And then now what we're going to do is we are going to grab our lid, so all the way over here, cover this up, and put this on high for about 4 to 6 hours till the beans are tender. And once the turkey leg is falling off the bone, we're going to pull that out and shred that up. So we'll be back in a few hours. So these have been going for about 4 hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if our turkey leg is ready to be shredded. Yep. So I'm going to pull out this turkey leg and shred it up, and then I'm going to add it back to the pot. So now that we've got our turkey all shredded up, we're going to throw this back into the pot, give this a good mix. And we're going to check our beans and see where they're at. All right, so they have a little bit more to go. So we're going to let these go for about another hour. All right, so these have been going for 6 hours. Quick mix. Perfect. Now let's service up some beans. Doesn't that look good? Now that we've got everything all in a bowl and ready to go, here's some of our white beans. A piece of sausage and some of the beans. Oh yeah. Just that spot. Got that little bit of bite in the back from the andouille sausage and the Cajun seasoning. This is perfect. Definitely recommend this as a good side. Or if you're having some kind of cookout, definitely make these. Not too hard, throw it all in the crock pot and walk away. So I really want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Still got that little bite. So to all my viewers, I want to say thank you for helping to support the channel. New viewers, welcome. Remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. So I'm going to let everybody go, and I'm going to finish up my white beans. So y'all have a good day.